explorers, welcome to another episode with Dining Discoveries with Laylo. We are in the Lone Star State. We're in Dallas today and we're gonna explore another beautiful restaurant here. It's called Chop. Let's see what they have in store for us. Come explorers, let's explore. Okay, Brother Samir, thank you so much for allowing us to come and explore your restaurant. We're very delighted to be in Dallas. And I would love to know more about the history. How did you come up with the idea of this restaurant?
Well, kitchen is my hobby, actually.
And your background is kitchen?
Yes, whenever I have time, I go to the kitchen, do cook something, especially when I used to be a student. My major is a pharmacist. I used to be a pharmacist for about 32 years.
Wow.
Now, once I decided to retire, I decided to open this Chop Halal restaurant, which is everything has to do with the chopping everything. So chopping chicken, chopping gyro, chopping vegetables. So I figured Chop would be suitable, for the business I'm doing, especially everything, we make it fresh.
Yeah.
We make it just away from can and preservatives, something like that.
So you don't freeze and anything.
No. Everything's got to be fresh.
Yeah, and the other question is, where'd you get your meat from? Like, is it Zabiha Halal? Or?
We have, yes, we have our meat, Zabiha Halal.
And I see a university here,
Yes.
University of Dallas.
Yes.
So the food traffic, it must be very good here, right?
Yeah. We have a lot of students from all kinds of ethnicity. We have faculty member.
My last question is, where do you see yourself from now? Do you want to franchise this, or do you want to just concentrate on one location?
For now, a few years from now, probably concentrate on one location, but hopefully, you never know. If it's up to my son, actually, whether he wants to franchise there or the different location, it's possible.
I'm so happy that you're able to do something, being a pharmacist for so many years and like doing something so amazing, servicing people and they're enjoying it. It's amazing.
I'm glad that you're here. I'm glad that you're taping this video. And same time, I hope you're gonna enjoy the food.
Yeah, hopefully we'll be able to taste and then see like
Yes.
what you're saying is. Yeah, thank you so much. And I would really love to see some of your, how do you say, hit dishes like that are really favorite.
We have a whole bunch.
And if you could show us,
absolutely.
I would really love to see your kitchen as well, explore a little bit,
absolutely.
ask some questions so that our viewers, if they pass by this area, they just drop by and enjoy some of your amazing food. We came all the way from Canada to try your food.
Absolutely, you're more than welcome.
Thank you so much.
At S5R Productions, we put the focus on your brand. I'm not a monster. What? I'm just ahead of the curve. You want to stay ahead of the curve? Stick with my team of videographers, editors, and scriptwriters who's going to bring your vision to the public. Join a winning team. Join S5R Productions so that we could bring your brand into focus.
Okay, Brother Samir, can you show us now your kitchen? We're so excited. So let's go. We're gonna see hi, and you have.
Welcome to my small kitchen.
Oh, that's a very exciting. We want to see behind the scenes, right? A lot of people they just see the front lines.
Yes. So we need potato, so we chop them, and we have to spice them now. If you want to spice them for me, please. Yeah, just spice.
What is this machine?
This is we'll cut the potato. Just immediately we'll make it.
Oh,
small.
That's so awesome.
Yes.
Okay, 3, 2. Oh my God! you need.
Here we go.
Oh,
that's okay.
Here
we go. Yeah, that's okay. And sometimes my son would prefer to be inside it here, but we'll be.
Oh, that's how you do. This
so now,
is
once we have this batch ready, we can spice it and just put it in the oven. That way we have everything so fresh all the time.
Oh, I'm sorry. So, what's your name, brother?
My name is Hadi.
And he's one of your employees?
Yeah, he's my son.
He's your son.
Yes, my father.
Awesome. So, what are you doing?
So yeah, I'm putting just regular table salt, and then I have my own spice mixture for the potatoes. And this one I make by hand.
Oh, you mix them up yourself?
Yes, yes, that is not store-bought. I do this myself, and I have created this recipe with a lot of spices and herbs. Yes, and mostly with the cumin, coriander. I I grind the spices myself. Store-bought ground spices are not as good.
Yeah, and they don't have this fresh smell.
Right. Yes. So yes, that's right. So I grind the spices myself, and I roast them as well. So yes, yeah. So,
And why do you roast them?
just to bring the aroma. Honestly, more aromatic. You make the potato and keep it for a long time, it becomes dry. So that's why we prefer to make it in smaller batch. Whenever we need the potato, we just cut it as you can see quickly, and just put the spice on it, put it in the oven. Usually in the morning.
And
That is one batch of potato. Oh, he plays it previous batch. So
oh, okay. And have you guys ever run out of products that
whenever
quickly
we
run
need
to get
something, we
it?
can just go fly, get it, and come back.
That's all.
Plus, although we have a small fridge, but it's loaded with stuff, so we're covered.
I see. Can you show us your freezer and?
That's kind of small, but we have all the vegetables we need, and for a day or two, and we have all the sauces ready. The green spicy sauce that has been made today. We got the jalapeno, serrano peppers, and we make it by hand. You're gonna try it. That takes like 2 hours to make. We also have more hot sauce. That is also the red spicy sauce. Red spicy sauce. That is also made by hand.
That's your favorite too, right?
I like the green.
Oh, okay. You guys have everything. Okay. Okay, wonderful, wonderful. That's beautiful. We're so ready to explore how you guys cook things now. Can you guys show us how you cook some things?
Here, and then it goes forward. So it's like build your own bowls. Your own meat and the onions and mushroom, as you can see over here. Yeah, mushroom and onion. Yes.
Right, these are your fry.
We also offer fries and falafel. It comes from New York, ready to us.
From New York, all the way from New York?
Yes.
Oh, because
this is original from Greece, but this is all halal.
oh,
Halal.
oh, that's amazing.
This one's like marinated beef lamb marinated with some probably breads and some a lot of spices.
Yeah, that's beautiful. I love it.
You're gonna be the judge now.
These customers are ordering right now, and they're saying it's their first time, and we're gonna ask for their honest opinion if they like the food or not. They're saying like everything is prepared fresh here. Let's see. You'll be the judge, okay? I'm coming. What they say. Yeah, we're gonna have. So let us know, how was the first bite? Probably you guys are hungry too, right?
Yeah, it tastes fresh, and you know, the portions are also pretty good. I like the seasonings are also really good too. Yeah.
Would you recommend this place?
Yeah, I would.
Hope you will be coming more often here.
Definitely.
Thank you. Thank you for your review. And what about you?
I thought the same thing. It tasted fresh. It tasted good. It felt light too. So I think I could easily finish one bowl.
Thank you. I'm super excited that this very show and upcoming shows are sponsored by my very own business, Laylo's Delectable Candles. And I have absolutely gorgeous candles and many other items that are in the theme of desserts, as I love desserts a lot. So check out my website at laylosdelectable.ca and make your loved ones happy for any occasion. Thank you. Now brother is gonna make and explain everything, and we're gonna capture every moment of it. Let's go for it.
So usually, whenever a customer comes in, the first thing I do is I ask him which choice of rice he likes. Yeah, it's marinated chicken. We all of our meats are marinated a day in advance. So yeah, that is a chicken over here.
I have separate tongs for each one.
Try the green one because you're praising it so much.
Spicy, just to let you know.
A little bit maybe on this side.
Let's do the white sauce first as a base.
Now let's see how it tastes. All homemade. Looks very delicious. And they're all made fresh. Let's see. This is baba ganoush. This one is tahini sauce, is said. And this one is their popular mango habanero sauce. This is hummus. Obviously, without hummus, we can't go without hummus. Let's see this one. Looks yummy. Bismillah. Let's see. I love beef a lot, so let's see. Spices are so good. Tastes really, really yummy. Let me try this green sauce I was talking about. Burst of jalapenos. It's really good, actually. I love it. It's so fresh. It's really good. And they have this eggplant, fried eggplant. Wow, this is so good. I love it. Everything tastes really, really yummy. And their rices, this yellow rice tastes so good as well. Meat is really good actually here. It's cooked to perfection. Baba ganoush has the smoked eggplant taste to it, and it tastes so good. They said their chicken is very popular here. Let's see why it is so popular. Their chicken is marinated to perfection, I could say. Yeah, this marinated sauce, I don't know what it is. It's like a lemony, zesty kind of taste along with some spices. It's so good. And they have spicy chickpeas. And they have sauteed mushrooms with onions. I really love this jalapeno sauce. If you can handle spices, you can definitely try this jalapeno sauce. It's kind of spicy, but it's very pleasant spicy. So good. It gives you this fresh feeling and your nose opens up even. Oh wait, actually their hummus tastes very different than other hummuses. Because as you guys could see, they were cooking it in the pot and it tastes really good. So worth driving all the way to Dallas and trying something different. Texan style. I love it.
Always welcome to Shop Halal Grill. We have our fresh food, smaller batch, better taste, and hopefully you're gonna like it. So hopefully we're gonna see you soon in the future.
Well, explorers, our another episode came to an end, and this time it was in Dallas, and we enjoyed this beautiful restaurant called Chop, and the food was so amazing. I loved everything because that was made fresh, and I loved their sauces, I loved their meat, and I loved their chicken bowls. It was all amazing. And I would really highly recommend, if you guys are passing by this area, drop by, enjoy their food, because it's priced very nicely, and at the same time, it's so delicious. It's so worth the trip. And I would love to ask you guys to subscribe and hit that like button and share with your friends and family so that more people could view and enjoy this episode and all of our other episodes. Thank you so much. Stay tuned as we explore all the other parts of North American halal restaurants. Thank you.